Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just out taking some video footage and some pictures of this beautiful landscape, and I'm just gonna do a drive-by for you so you can see and hear what the car sounds like. So there you have it. There's some flybys of the Camo Beast out in the Alberta prairies. You should go check out my Instagram, HQ_BMW. That is HQ_BMW. I think we got some pictures today that are gonna look pretty awesome. Pretty excited. It's nice and fall. The colors where I was super beautiful, nice and yellow and oranges. But you guys should go check them out and show some love to my Instagram. Make sure you subscribe and follow to watch what's coming next for the Camo Beast. Yeah, stay tuned. Please subscribe and enjoy. Have a great day.